I'm Kirk Gruendling. I'm Vice President of Marketing and Business Development at Waitsfield and Champlain Valley Telecom in Vermont. Well, we've seen the evolution, obviously, of technologies, from first providing dial-up internet service to DSL and now fiber optics. We primarily use the managed services side of NRTC and everything from call center services, after hours, technical support, email services, and we also have some unique partnerships with NRTC on the broadband side as well. We can't support our customers 24/7 and stand up those call center services ourselves, where NRTC can help us to expand that scope and scale and cover those weekends, holidays, after hours support that we can't do locally. One of the nice things about working with NRTC is I have access to full leadership team. So if something does go wrong, right, I can send Tim a text, whether it's on the weekend or evening or a holiday, and I know things are going to be taken care of. The nice thing is, right, it's really, truly a partnership that we can continue to work together with it and evolve. Oysters.